$700 million. That's what investors just paid for a machine that scans your entire body. Mark Zuckerberg put his own money in. So did Maria Sharapova. So did will.i.am. The company, Neko Health, founded by Spotify's Daniel Ek. Here's what this scanner actually does, and why it's now worth nearly $7 billion. Quick background, for new viewers. Daniel Ek co-founded Spotify. In 2018, he co-founded Neko Health, a very different kind of company. Full-body preventive health scans, powered by AI. This week, its Series C round closed, $700 million. Led by Lightspeed Venture Partners and O.G Venture Partners. Here's what happens inside the pod. 70 sensors. 50 million data points. Collected in seconds. Over 2,000 high-resolution photos, building a 3D image of your entire body. It maps every mole on your skin, detecting shape changes as small as 0.2 of a millimeter. Then, a bed with laser thermal imaging, checking heart and artery health, cholesterol, and blood sugar. A human doctor, working with AI, interprets all 50 million data points, in under 10 minutes. The whole appointment, under an hour. Designed to catch things early, skin cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, while they're still treatable. Here's how fast the money moved. This round wasn't just venture capital. Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan invested. So did Maria Sharapova. Thierry Henry. will.i.am, Tim Ferriss. Alongside VC firms, Lightspeed, O.G Venture Partners, Atomico, General Catalyst. When athletes, musicians, and tech billionaires all back the same health startup, that's not a coincidence. It's a signal about where they think health technology is heading next. Funding is one story. Usage is another. More than 100,000 people have already been scanned. More than 350,000 are on the waitlist or booked in. And the number that actually matters to investors, the rebooking rate. 75% of people who get scanned, come back again. That's the real signal. People aren't trying this once out of curiosity. They're returning. Here's what that traction looks like, charted. This story works on 4 different levels. Health, preventive screening appeals to almost anyone with a family history of heart disease, cancer, or diabetes. Celebrity, Zuckerberg, Sharapova, Henry, and will.i.am all bring their own audiences. Tech, a Spotify founder building a health AI company draws every tech follower who tracked his last company. Investment, $1 billion raised, a near $7 billion valuation, and a business model built on repeat visits. 4 different audiences. 1 company. Neko Health currently operates in the UK and Sweden. This funding is specifically earmarked for US expansion, starting in New York. That's the real test. The US healthcare market is larger, more fragmented, and far more litigious than Europe's. Whether a walk-in AI body scan clinic can scale there is still unproven. But with this much capital, and this many high-profile backers, Neko Health is about to find out. Here's what's actually interesting about this story. It's not really about celebrities investing in a startup. It's about what they're choosing to invest in. Not another AI chatbot. Not another app. A physical scanner, that looks inside your actual body, and tells you something